Hello drone lovers, welcome back to your Drones Academy. Today we talk about the body airframe materials, how to select the materials when we use to build or even buy a drone. For a single, multi-rotor, small personal use drones, usually plastic is the best choice. On fixed-wing, multi-role or unmanned vehicle combat drones, then we must look at the following factors when selecting the drone's frame material. 1. Composite materials, like carbon fiber. Their lightweight, stiffness, and strength makes them best choice. Stiffness to weight ratio. Stiffness is the measure how much a material stretch when we exert a load on it. 3. Strength to weight ratio. Strength is the amount of load a structure can take before it breaks. 4. Shape. Sleek aerodynamic shape will reduce the air resistance and reduce the drone's radar signature. 5. We check how many parts the drone will be built of. The more joint, fasteners, screws, and non-streamlined edges, the less aerodynamic shape we will get, which leads to a higher air resistance and higher drone cross-section signature. Recently, new materials coming to play at drones UAV industry. Materials like novel magnesium-based materials. The novel magnesium-based materials have shown following advantages. They are extremely light, very good castability, are easy to machine, superior to high-pressure die casting of aluminum alloys.